Hi, this is Jeremy from EFI. In partnership with TMS, we created a unique version of FireXF just for your workflow. This is a quick installation guide to help you install FireXF Server. The installation process is different depending on whether you will complete a new installation or an upgrade from version 6 or 7.1. Follow this guide if you have no prior version of FireXF installed, and this will be a new installation of 7.3. If you have any questions or need support during your installation, you can contact TMS support team directly, who will be happy to help. For this installation, you'll need the 7.3 installer and a new 7.3 license. Both are provided by TMS. Start by mounting the ISO image to the PC. Once mounted, navigate to the Setup application file. Run this by double-clicking, or right-click and select Run as Admin. If it appears, confirm the Windows account control message, and Next to begin the installation. Be sure to confirm the default install location. Once the installer is complete, click Finish to allow the installer to restart your computer. After the restart, if the Windows account control message appears, just click Yes to confirm. It's now time to activate your new 7.3 license. TMS has provided you with this license activation code. If you don't have a 7.3 license, reach out to TMS. As before, you can access the license activation via Fiery Server Control and manage licenses. This time, select Activate. Confirm the license agreement. Enter or paste your LAC code into the field above. Select Continue, and then confirm the license is correct and select Activate. And Finish to complete. FireXF Server is now running.